war is over, and Leonardo is celebrating with a party at his house. Hero is Leonardo's daughter. She's in love with Claudio, the brave soldier, home from the war. Hero and Claudio like each other very much. I love you, Hero.
I love you too, Claudio.
Let's get married. Beatrice is Hero's cousin. She likes jokes and laughing at Benedict. Benedict and Beatrice like the same things, but they say they don't like each other.
Oh, Benedict, you're too clever. You annoy me.
Oh, Beatrice, you're too clever. You annoy me.
I'm never going to get married.
Me neither. Don John is also at the party. He doesn't like to see people having fun. He wants to make everyone unhappy. Don John plays a trick on Claudio. He takes Claudio for a walk and they see a man talking romantically to a woman at Hero's window. Claudio, look! Hero is with another man. Claudio thinks the woman is Hero. He is wrong. The woman is really Hero's servant, but his heart is broken. Now it is Hero and Claudio's wedding day, but Claudio says he won't marry Hero. No, I can't marry you. You are in love with another man. Hero is shocked and falls on the floor. Claudio thinks she is dead. Next, Leonardo plays a trick on Claudio. Claudio, you must marry my niece. Now Claudio thinks he's going to marry someone he has never met, Leonardo's niece, who looks like Hero. But the woman really is Hero. Oh, Hero, you're alive! I'm sorry for what I said. Please marry me. Finally, Beatrice and Benedict know that they are a perfect couple. I love you, Beatrice.
I love you too, Benedict.
Let's get married. The two couples have a double wedding. Everyone is